Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Canva Code. In order to do so, here we are at canva.com/AI-code-generator. And as you can see, we have the option here that says Code for Me. So if you click on that, we'll go ahead and show you. That is going to bring you to this page here where you can enter in your details. Now, in my case, what I did was I basically wanted to create a simple little Pong game. And so what I did was I put in the prompt, a game like Pong with blowfish instead of balls and paddles. And this is what Canva came up with. So we'll go ahead and hit play. And in this case, they set the controls to W, S, and up and down. But let's go ahead and take a look at this. And there you go. This is what I was able to do with just a simple code in Canva Code. This is a functioning video game. This is basically Pong with blowfish. And it does seem as though the speed might pick up. I mean, it does kind of seem like it's going faster there. So there is some basic physics here working. And it's basically the first person who gets to 3 wins. So I'll just go ahead and let you see that really quick. There you go. Player 1 wins. So with just a very simple prompt, I was able to make a fun little Pong game with blowfish using Canva Code. And so that's pretty impressive. So check it out. Go to canva.com and check out the AI code generator. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.